Hello, welcome to my channel, and this is my Tardis build. Hope you like it. hope you're enjoying the video so far. I'm going to walk you through my TARDIS. So, this project actually took me about a month and a half to do. Me and my wife are fans of Doctor Who, and I wanted to build her this for Valentine's Day, which was a great success. So on the top piece here, while I walk you through all this, this is a cannibalized path light that I just happened to run into and was perfect for the project. Whole TARDIS is painted in royal blue. The front panel switch is the switch I got off of eBay for about $5 to $10. Power switch, 2 USBs, and front panel microphone and audio, which these two unfortunately don't work for some reason, but that's okay. She has a wireless headset, so I'll take what I can get. So, starting with the windows and the police sign, all polycarbonate. Lettering was the hardest part, I think, because those are basically just stickers. And very, very time consuming on that part. Now, as for all the wood and everything, all from Home Depot, and if you do build something like this, I do recommend getting decent wood. The cheaper wood seems to kind of crack and splinter a little bit when you're either putting screws through it or sanding. Now, the other part, as you saw in the earlier part of the video, what I did was make an access here, 2 slide locks on the side, and if you ever need to replace, repair, or just do the entire build, you can access it from the rear, and this does go all the way to the floor for easy access. And that was kind of built on the fly. Now, as for all the lighting, it is an all corsair system. What we have here is, starting with the CPU cooler, a H100i RGB, and also 4 Corsair HD 120s. And for the police signs, we have the Corsair LED strips ran by the Node Pro, and the fan hub, which are located under here, which you probably can't see. We also have 16 gigabytes of Corsair RGB RAM. The motherboard is an Asus Prime Micro ATX motherboard. The CPU is a Ryzen 1600X with a GTX Gigabyte 970. It is powered by a OCZ 700 watt power supply, a Western Digital 1 terabyte SSD, and all the wiring and everything's kind of a loop through with the LED strips and one going straight to the top. And the motherboard tray was a cannibalized old NZXT case that I took apart. All the wiring running out the back here, and there is the line for the power switch going to the front, which is actually a lot longer than I thought, which turned out really good. And I know what you may be thinking, God, that wiring is a mess, but I was kind of crunched for time, and on top of that, kind of plan on upgrading everything soon, but wanted to get the case out of the way. Now, I did take my time on this, and I recommend to anyone to please take your time, and I promise you it will turn out. So, that is my TARDIS. So thank you for viewing, and please click like. And thank you very much, and you have a good one.